one.
Your mission briefing is about to begin with Explorer Captain Nova Orion. Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, cadets. We need your help. A giant space rock is zooming towards us. It's the asteroid of probable destruction. We tried zapping the asteroid with a giant laser. We tried catching it with a giant net. But all ingenious plans have mysteriously failed. Over to the man with Plan C. It's our chief engineer, Ben Digger.
Hey, cadets. The C stands for cadet, because Plan C depends on you. The plan is to break up the asteroid by harnessing the most destructive force in the galaxy. Separators. These guys just can't help breaking things apart, so let's turn their menace into a force for good. We need the cadets to move a swarm of separators to the asteroid. Over to Commander Olivia, who is on the find some.
We located large swarms of separators in space sectors Alpha, Beta, and Charlie. Couldn't get too close. They're more than ever likely to separate anything that crosses their path. Jonas is telling you to be careful. He's right. You need to locate these separators that are in your spaceships. You have handled that bit, haven't you, Ben?
Just getting there. Okay, cadets. First you need to customize the spacecraft so awesome that it grabs the separator's attention like nothing else. You'll need to make your spacecraft speed, too, because as soon as the separators come for you, it's time to go, 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 before they can separate you, too.
Check me out, Bob! My gravity skates just fizzled out. Hey, teammates, drifting into the hot tip. We're all doing this mission in cruise aboard. Might be they're not all your crewmates yet, but let's dive into building together.
Cadets, time is running out. Just remember the 3 S's. 1. Spacecraft. Customize it. Climb aboard. 2. Separators. Locate them. Lead them to the asteroid. 3. Safe return. Watch out for wormholes and debris. Get back safe. Got that? Great! Come on, let's go!
All cadets to the engineering bay. Let's get mission ready. the asteroid of probable destruction is zooming closer to spaceport, it's messing with my signal. I'm sending over blueprints for the basic spacecraft I designed for your mission. Your task is to customize my basic design and then ride it into space, okay? Work together and follow my instructions. Let's hope this signal holds. First, pick the coolest nose design for your spacecraft. To swap, add another nose. To keep it, do nothing. Simply stand back and wait for my next instruction. Pick quickly. Whichever nose is on your spacecraft when the timer runs out is the one we'll keep. Time's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. You get your first points. Now pick the wings. Which design will give you the speed you need? Remember, you need wings to shoot away from the separators so they don't catch up with you and do what separators do best. Make your pick in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wings, cadets. Pressing on. It's time to pick your spacecraft's tail. Tap the screen to drive it on. Try it for once. It doesn't have to be right the first time. Pick quickly. It's nearly done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's just time for one quick fire choice. Pick something extra that will really grab the separator's attention. This means they'll chase you to the asteroid. Hurry! Time's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing teamwork, guys! You did it! Wow! That was awesome, Rocketeers! Fast and stylish! Tap your spacecraft key on the lander and upload your design to the loading bay so you can go for launch.